Unlock giant carrots, the ultimate fertilizer guide. Want carrots that are the envy of the neighborhood? Get ready to learn the secrets to growing bigger, tastier carrots with the power of fertilizer. Carrots, like all plants, need specific nutrients to thrive. Understanding these needs is the first step to a bountiful harvest. Carrots are heavy feeders, meaning they require a good supply of nutrients from the soil. The three most important nutrients are nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. Nitrogen promotes healthy foliage growth. Phosphorus supports strong root development. Potassium enhances overall plant health and disease resistance. Before you add any fertilizer, it's crucial to know what your soil already contains. The soil test provides valuable insights. Soil testing kits are readily available at garden centers. Follow the instructions carefully to collect a representative sample. The results will tell you the pH level and nutrient content of your soil. This information will guide your fertilizer choices. Selecting the right fertilizer is key to maximizing your carrot yield and flavor. There are many options available, so let's break it down. Balanced fertilizers, such as 10-10-10, provide equal amounts of N, P, and K. These are a good starting point for general soil improvement. For carrots, a fertilizer with slightly less nitrogen and more phosphorus and potassium is ideal. Look for a ratio like 5-10-10 or 6-12-12. Organic options like bone meal, phosphorus, and wood ash potassium are also excellent choices. They release nutrients slowly and improve soil health. Timing and application methods are just as important as the type of fertilizer you choose. Let's optimize your fertilization schedule. Apply a pre-plant fertilizer before sowing your carrot seeds. This gives the young seedlings a nutrient boost right from the start. Work the fertilizer into the top few inches of soil. Avoid placing it directly in contact with the seeds to prevent burning. Side dress your carrots with fertilizer a few weeks after they emerge. This provides a supplemental feeding as they grow. Embrace the power of nature with organic fertilizers. They're gentle on the environment and beneficial for your soil. Compost is a fantastic all-around soil amendment. It improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Manure, aged and composted, is another excellent source of nutrients. Be sure it's well rotted to avoid burning your plants. Green manure, like cover crops, can be grown and tilled into the soil. This adds organic matter and releases nutrients as it decomposes. Fertilizing seems simple, but there are pitfalls to avoid. Let's ensure you don't make these common mistakes. Over-fertilizing can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of root development. It can also burn your plants. Using too much nitrogen can result in hairy forked carrots. Stick to the recommended ratios and application rates. Neglecting soil pH can affect nutrient availability. Carrots prefer a slightly acidic soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Watering and soil health go hand in hand with fertilization. They're all part of a holistic approach to carrot growing. Consistent watering is essential for nutrient uptake. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid overwatering. Well-drained soil prevents root rot and allows for proper aeration. Amend heavy clay soils with compost or other organic matter. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Use organic mulches like straw or wood chips. Keep a close eye on your carrots as they grow. This will help you identify any nutrient deficiencies or other problems early on. Yellowing leaves can indicate a nitrogen deficiency. Stunted growth may be a sign of phosphorus deficiency. Curled or scorched leaf edges can suggest a potassium deficiency. Adjust your fertilization accordingly. Regularly check the soil moisture and pH levels. Make adjustments as needed to maintain optimal growing conditions. After all your hard work, it's time to reap the rewards. Harvesting your own carrots is a truly satisfying experience. Harvest your carrots when they reach the desired size. Gently loosen the soil around the roots and pull them up. Brush off any excess soil and store your carrots in a cool, dark place. They can last for several weeks in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious homegrown carrots in salads, soups, or as a healthy snack. Savor the fruits or vegetables of your labor. With the right fertilizer and growing practices, you can unlock the full potential of your carrot patch. Get ready for a harvest of giant, flavorful carrots that will impress your friends and family. Ready to grow the best carrots of your life? Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your own carrot growing experiences and questions. Let's grow together.